Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix PowerShell has stopped working or not opening in Windows 10 or 11. So it is very easy to fix it. So firstly need to search CMD, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrators and also click on run as administrators. It asks permission, so click on yes. Now type this command line sfc space slash scan SCANNOW. Now sfc space slash scan. Now type this command line and press enter. So wait some few minutes. This scanning process will be 100%. This process will be 100%. So type this second command line. If you comment, so I will give in description box this command line. Simply in description box just copy and right click on it, so this command will be pasted easily. Close it and restart your PC or laptop, and after restart you easily resolve this problem. So please comment this video, this method will be work or not, and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.